Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to be talking about how you can make money on YouTube. I'll tell you the thought process behind this YouTube channel, how I started and how I got to monetize my channel. I'll reveal every single step to you. So if you're interested in starting a YouTube channel, you want to know my story, my channel is still a small channel, you want to know every single detail of what I did, the highs and the low, when I was motivated and when I was not motivated. I'm going to review them all in this video. I'm also going to tell you how I was able to get some videos to go viral and how some of them really flopped, even though I did a lot of research into the channel. So I'm going to reveal all that to you. If you're new to the channel, a sub to the channel is going to be fantastic. I want you to stay to the end of this video because you learn at least one lesson. And to my subscribers already, I really appreciate the love that you have given, the support you have given, the likes, the comments, and those that have been able to answer through the comment section. I really appreciate. So let's start from the beginning. How did the Mr. Norman YouTube channel start? So it started after I failed different channels, after I failed different YouTube channel. For example, my first channel I think was named Norman Monday. Yeah, because that's my surname. So that was my first channel, Norman MJ. I think I have different Norman MJ channels. So this one had about 347 subscribers with 34 videos. So in this channel, my intention for making this channel was to share the experiences that I was having when I was doing having a website. Yes, the name of my website was www.normanmj.com. So that was the name of my website as at that time. So I started creating YouTube videos, sharing my experiences. And one of the experiences that I had was my domain name was not very correct, and I found a video that helped me correct it, and all of a sudden I was able to correct it. So I created a video on how to correct it, and all of a sudden that video had about 6,000 views. So that's when I realized that if you share solutions to problem on YouTube, it will get more views. So all I did was keep sharing solutions to problem. Although this channel didn't go up the way I wanted it to, I made a lot of mistakes. Some of the mistakes I made was I started copying people's content. I didn't make original videos, and it came with a lot of discouragement. I wasn't truly happy with this channel. So that was how I lost Norman MJ. So after about a few months, I created another channel. I had about 9 different channels. All of them had failed. Not a single one of them succeeded. Then after about a year, I created Mr. Norman. In this channel, what I said to myself was that I want to create a channel about topics that are trending. That was my mindset. And number 2 mindset was that I wanted to create a channel that I do not want the viewers to be from my country. My country is somehow a very poor country, so I needed a channel that will have views from other countries like maybe America or United States. So I had to work on my English again, which was very important, and I started creating content about Binance. So how did I get into Binance? I did not know a lot about at that time about what Binance was, so I was creating videos while I was learning. So if I learned something little, I'll create a video about it. For example, when I learned how to withdraw money on Binance, I created a video on it. How to add my bank account to Binance, I created a video about it. When I learned about the top cryptocurrency on Binance, I created a video about it. So that was how it started. And at the beginning, my channels were not doing great. I was having 1, 2, less than 5 views, as you can see here. But you see this video here, it has about 48,000 views. It didn't get so successful at the beginning till later when the video started picking up. So in this video, I'm going to show you every single thing, every thought process. So this was what happened. So I created a video about how to Binance. So how to do anything on Binance. I kept creating video on that. So I created about 9 videos, and the videos were not doing well. And at that point, Shiba Inu was trending. So I started creating videos on Shiba Inu, and it still didn't do well. So at that point, I learned about this young man on YouTube. I think his name is Stephen Graham. Good. So I learned about this guy on YouTube, and I tried to imitate some of his videos, which did not come out to success. So I tried to make videos about how to invest your money and all that. It wasn't a success. So I was disappointed. You can see sample of his video here. Don't buy a house. I knew nothing about house. Make side money. I knew nothing about making side money. Save for Christmas. I knew nothing about that. As you can see, I have only 1 view in that video, and that video I was the only person that viewed it. This one had 7 views. This one has 3 views. So when I tried to copy other people, it didn't work out really well. Then all of a sudden, NFT, I had knowledge about NFT, and I started creating videos about NFT. So when I started creating videos about NFT, I started to see a lot more views. I had between 50 to 100 views, and that was how I decided to put more effort into creating videos, even if I had no ideas about what I was talking about. But I make sure I did my research, then I started creating video. Another challenge that I had was that I didn't know how to create good thumbnails. So a lot of the thumbnails that I used were stolen thumbnails, up until I discovered a website. The name of that website is Poster My Wall. So this was the website I started using to create YouTube thumbnails. It is very easy. I have some templates that I already designed. So in this website, for example, you can customize YouTube thumbnails. So that was what I did. So when you go there, you search for YouTube thumbnails, you click on it, you'll be able to see thousands of YouTube thumbnails in which you can click on and edit depending on your style. So this what made it easy for me to be able to create a little bit better thumbnails. If you can see, I created these last few thumbnails using Poster My Wall. So it was a huge step for me to be able to create my own thumbnails. How long did it take me to get my channel monetized? So let me take you to my YouTube studio so that you can see how my channel was. So we are going to look at the overview. I'm going to switch it back to the lifetime of this channel. So as you can see, I started my channel on the 27th of May. 27th of May, that was when I started the channel, and over this period of time I had racked up 124,000 views with about 4,000 and 3,000 watch hours, with over 1,000 subscribers, and I was just approved to be monetized few days ago. It's not up to 2 weeks, and I've made $5.9. On average, I make about 80 to 90 cents a day. So the channel is actually growing up. And when I started this channel, I was really pumping a lot of videos. I did a lot of posting, and as you can see, I was posting 9 videos at some point. 9, 7, 3, 3, 3, 3. And because I was posting a lot of videos, I was having more views. But all of a sudden, as I started posting 3 videos and below, you can see there was a drop. When I started posting 2 videos, the channel was a little bit stable, but it was not high as when I was posting 9+ and 7+ video. Then I got to a point that I got discouraged. I was only posting 1 video in a while, and that was how I left my channel for a period of about 5 months without posting anything. During that period, I was very discouraged. The reason why I was discouraged was that I tried to monetize my channel at some point and it wasn't approved. I kept getting messages like this: thank you for your interest in AdSense. After reviewing your application, our specialists have found out that it does not meet our program criteria. Therefore, we are unable to accept you into our program. As soon as you meet a roadblock like that, you get really discouraged. I wasn't happy with it, but I actually gave up. I didn't want to continue. So what I did was that I had to take up the knowledge that I had and train others too. So I spoke to my cousins and told him, see, you can start a YouTube channel. If you are fortunate enough, you can start making money through your content. So my cousin, let me show you his channel, VEJ Luxury. So I taught him every single thing that I knew, and he started his YouTube channel during the time where I wasn't making any progress. So since he's into importation of kitchen appliances, he was able to create very wonderful videos about the appliances he was importing. And he was actually the one who motivated me to get back to my YouTube channel. I noticed that he was making a lot of videos every day and posting it on his social media. So I was like, I'm the one teaching this guy how to make videos. Why am I not making videos? Why is he getting more referrals and I'm not making referrals? So one day he said to me, try to reapply to Google AdSense. So I applied again, and I still got these application status that I was not approved. I got discouraged. So one day I said to myself, how can I bypass this? I searched throughout YouTube and I didn't see what to do. So all of a sudden I created a new Gmail account. And after I had done that, I got this congratulations message less than 24 hours after I applied. They said, congratulations, your channel, Mr. Norman, has been accepted into the YouTube partner program and you're now able to monetize on YouTube. So that was how I was fortunate to enter. So all you just need to do, if your channel is not being approved, maybe your Gmail account already has an established, let me say, I don't know how YouTube describes it, but if you want to apply for YouTube, just create a new Gmail account to register with AdSense, and it is going to be much easier that way. So that was how the issue that I was having was that my previous Gmail account already had a payment information, because maybe I had used it to promote one of my videos, which did not really work out. So all you just need to do is use a Gmail account that does not have any payment information. So that was how I created a new Gmail account, and I was approved in less than 24 hours. I'm going to make a new video on how the registration process went through. So let's get back to my channel. So how long did it take me to have about 1,000 hours? So let's use custom dates. So I started my YouTube channel in 1,000 subscribers. I started my YouTube channel at 28th of May 2020. So let's create a custom 28th of, okay, sorry about that, 28th of May 05. That was 2021. I think I'm right, 2021. So that was when I started my channel, 2021. So I think I got, okay, let me apply it and see. So at that point I think I got custom 28th May 2021 till I think around May of this year. Let me see, 05, 1st of May of 2020. Okay, as of 1st of May 2020, I see even after 1 year, I didn't make the 4,000 watch hour, and I didn't make the 1,000 subscribers. I think I made it a little bit more. 1st of May. Let me see. May, June, July. Let me look at July. So as of July, I had made the 1,000 subscribers, which is needed, but I still didn't have the 4,000 watch hour. July, then August. I think as of August, that was when That was when I had made the 4,000 watch hour. So as you can see, I even made more than the 4,000 watch hour. And during this period, as you can see here, starting from my last video, February 23, down till July, February to July, I was about 5 months. I didn't post any single video at all. I was discouraged because my application to AdSense multiple times, not once, multiple times didn't go through. And one thing about YouTube is that they do not tell you the cause of your problem, so they just leave you at the blank. You have to figure it out by yourself. You have to make sure your channel is really good. So this was not the only steps. I had to make sure that my videos also comply with their community guidelines. I have to make sure I wasn't breaking any of their terms and conditions. So that was how I was able to get my channel to the stage where it is at this moment. So as you can see, my channel got approved about 12 days ago. 12 days ago. It's not up to 2 weeks yet, and I'm making $5 already, as you can see. So I got my first payment on the 23rd. Yeah, I think so. On the 23rd. And you can come down here, you see the videos that paid me most. The video that paid me most was one of the old videos on my channel. One of the old videos, how to add Binance bank accounts to your, or how to add your bank account to your Binance. I think this is the channel that paid me the most in this period of time, and it has given me more subscribers, as you can see. So this is the story and the journey of my channel from when I started, the mindset, and also how I got the channel monetized. So if you are new to YouTube and you intend getting your channel monetized, you just need to put in the work. You can see it didn't take me up to 2 years. It's just 1.5 years and my channel is monetized, and I keep making money every day, and I keep getting subscribers. When I woke up today, I only had 1,100 subscribers. Right now I've made 1,104 subscribers. So you can do it too. In the lifetime of my channel, I've made over 126,000 views. It is not very difficult. You see, during this period of time, even though I didn't post anything, but because my YouTube videos were up there, it was still gaining views. So now that I've started posting, I'm aiming to get about 9 videos every single month, or as much as possible, even up to 30, so that I can pick up the pace again, so that I can get more views, get more subscribers, because it's going to be wonderful. So if you're new to YouTube, if you're interested in making YouTube videos, there's no time wasting trying to let people make money. Instead, make money on YouTube rather than wasting your time watching just YouTube videos without getting benefit from it. Why not create a YouTube video and explain things that you know? You don't need to know too much. You can create videos about what you are learning, and people is going to be interested in it. So I think that is going to be all for this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace. Thank you.